All right, welcome again, guys. I trust you're doing good. Let's talk about this phase one, sub C, which is how to use your MetaTrader 4 or 5. I suppose you all have downloaded this already on your phones or machines, or laptop, whatever. Hope this is already on your phones, right? So you have to, the first thing, you have to download your MetaTrader 5 on Play Store. Okay, so you create a demo account. How do you create a demo account? How do you link your real account with the MT5? How do you place a trade on MT5? How to use stop loss and take profit on your MetaTrader 5? How to place pending orders on your MetaTrader 5? Remember, I said that I'm going to explain that to you. Okay, so let's get started. All right, now just looking at this, you're going to notice that this is what we call pending orders. Remember that on the last video, which is buy stop, sell stop, and then sell limit, buy limit. All right, we said each pending orders are instructions to buy or sell an instrument when certain precautions specified by the trader are met. All right, it's an instruction that you are giving to a broker. Okay, your broker has to follow these instructions. You are telling your broker that if price should go up to this level, sell this thing. All right, if price should go down to this level, buy it. Once you do that, you put your price note there. That's all that you need. Okay, that's all that you need. You can go around, do your things, put your stop loss and your take profit, and that's it. This is where you can get these pending orders. All right, you have instant execution, which means you want to enter immediately. You have buy limit, you have sell limit, you have buy stop, you have sell stop, you have buy stop limit, and all those things. Okay, these are very, very important for those that maybe have jobs that they're doing. They are not really free to be using all those to be looking at the charts all the time. Okay, that will be very, very helpful for you. Okay, so let's look at this chart. You are going to see it on my, this is a trade that I enter. It's a sell trade. I enter it, the trade here, I put my stop loss above, and you see my take profit down. Price is still to come to my take profit. Now, what does this mean? This is that I enter a trade here, I am selling, right? So if I sell here and I say, okay, I'm selling here, this is my take profit, I want price to come here. If price should come here, broker close the trade and send the profits to my account. Okay, then I say, okay, if price should be going up, please close the trade for me here. I don't want to lose more than 1% of my account. Okay, that is the use of a stop loss and the use of a take profit. All right, so let's see how it looks like. This is the sell trade. I'm using 1.00. What's that? That's called a standard lot, right? 1 pip with a standard lot is equal to $10. So this has been moving like how many pips? You do the calculation. Okay, so let's get to it again. How to use now a MetaTrader or MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So when you just download your MetaTrader 4 or 5, this is how it opens. Okay, that's how it opens. And I have already told you these are your quotes. These are your quotes currencies: Euro, USD, GB, USD, USD, Sharif, USD, GPY, USD, China, and then USD, Russian ruble, Australian dollar, New Zealand, US dollar. And what is this? This is the bid price and this is the ask price. Okay, remember that the difference between the two is called the spread, and the spread is what is the commission you are paying to a broker to be monitoring your trades, right? That's where the brokers get their money. They charge you through spread. If you want to buy, you are going to be buying with the ask price. Okay, if you want to sell, you are going to be selling on the bid price. All right, I'm going to show you how to use that. All right, so this is how your MetaTrader 4 will look like. All right, this is our MetaTrader 5. Once you download it, you have your quotes here, you have your bid, and you have your ask price. Remember these paired currencies. I told you the first one is called the base and the second one is called the quote currency. You always trade the base against the quote currency. Okay, so let's see the next slide. Now, this is for us to create our account, right? So when you want to create your account, when you just look at this, when you look at this video, you see these 3 lines, right? These 3 lines. When you click on it, it brings you to this page. All right, it brings you to this page. Now, what is this called? This is MetaQuotes demo account, manage account. All right, This is currently a demo account. So for you now to open your own demo account, you click manage account. Okay. When you click manage account, it brings you to this picture. It brings you to this face. What happened? How are you going to create your account now? You click on the plus sign on your phone, right? You click on the plus sign on your phone. Once you click on the plus sign on your phone, this is what will show up. You might not see this raw trading. This is a broker. You can see this sometimes. If you don't see it now, they're asking you, you are going to see MetaQuote software. All right. This is the demo account that comes with any MetaTrader 4. You click this. This is a MetaTrader software. You click this one. All right. Now, if you want to link an account that you already have, let's say you have XNES, you can click find broker, you type XNES, you're going to see XNES, and you click it the same way you can click this MetaQuotes. All right. So once you click it, this shows up. All right. They say log in to an existing account. If you already have an account with XNES, you are going to enter your login and your password. All right. And then you choose the server. You are going to see the server on your XNES platform, which can be XNES 20, XNES 19, XNES 5, and all those things. All right. You just put your login and your password. Now, since we are creating a demo account, you see here, open a demo account, you click open a demo account. Once you click open a demo account, you are going to see this page come in. When this page pops up, you are going to fill this information. You put your first name, you put your second name, you put your phone number, you put your email address. Okay, you say server here is a MetaQuote. It's not a real, it's not an XNES or whatsoever. You are using MetaQuote's demo account. So this is the server for it, right? So account type, Forex, leverage. Remember what we talked about leverage, right? 1:100, which means yeah, $1 can actually trade do a transaction of $100, right? Deposit. This is your initial deposit. All right. You can choose it since you are using demo account. They are giving you $100,000, which is a demo to practice with it. All right. You can actually choose it. It's always advisable to start practicing with a little amount. Okay. Okay. So how do you change it? You can just click on it. Well, if you click on it, you are going to see from 2,000 downward. All right. Here you notice I have chosen $5,000. When you choose $5,000, you click accept and then you click register. All right. So once you click register, this is your name. This is now your information. Okay. They give you your information. This is your login, 62-digit password, this, and then investor password. What is it? This investor password is if you want to give it to somebody to see. All right. Let's say I want you to look at how I've been opening trades. All right. I'll give you the login and I'll give you investor password. You can put it on MetaTrader demo server and you will see my history. Okay, you see my trading history, but you cannot open a trade in my account. It's like an investor. It's just monitoring what you are doing. All right. You copy these two, your password and your login, and then you click done. Once you click done, it automatically opens it for you. This is the $5,000 demo account. You see it there, right there, demo, right? So now, when it opens, this is it here already, right? So here, if you click quotes here, if you click these quotes, this one down, you are going to go back, you are going to see this picture, all right? This is what is going to pop up. This is the quotes, all right? You see this highlighted here. That's the quote, okay? Now, if you want to click on the chart, if you want to click, if you click on chart, you are going to see this. This is here. If you click, you notice that charts, right? Charts shows you the history. I mean, the candlesticks, right? So now we are not on the charts right now. Let's go to trade, right? We click on trade. You see a balance, your equity, and your free margin, right? That is it. So now let's get to this one. How, if you want to open a trade, how do you do it? You come here, you click on the currency that you want to trade. If I click I click on euro and this pops up. You have euro USD, new order, chart, properties, depth of market, market statistics, simple view mode. All right. I want to enter a trade on this euro USD. What will happen is that I'll click new order. If I want to see the chart, I'll click chart. it will take me to chart. If I want to enter new order, I will click new order, and this is the screen that is going to pop up. All right, this is the screen that is going to pop up. So when this screen pops up now, if you want to enter an instant execution, you leave this. If you don't want to enter execution, you click here, you're going to see pending orders. They'll come out. Then if you want to use a buy limit or sell limit, you can click on that, right? So now this is your lot size. If you want to reduce it, you reduce it here. If you want to increase it, you increase it here, okay? Because of your account size, you know how to use a lot size, right? So now this is where you put your stop loss, and this is where you put your take profit, okay? So suppose, okay, I will show you that later. Now, if I want to sell, what am I going to use? This is the bid price and the ask price. Pause the video and answer the question. If I want to sell, which should I use the base, the bid, or the ask price? Okay, so if I want to sell, I'm going to be using the bid price as my entry level, which means that I'll be using this as my entry point. If I want to buy, I'm going to be using the ask price. Okay, so why am I using this? This is to calculate my stop loss in pips. If I want to put my stop loss in pips, I'm going to be adding the stop loss here. If I want to add my take profit in pips, I'm going to be adding it here. I'm using this as my entry. This is my entry price level. Okay. That is how it goes. All right. So now let's see.